Your local business website can look perfect, rank on Google, and still get erased from ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, and Claude, because Core Web Vitals quietly tell AI systems your site is not trustworthy enough to recommend. Here is the part most local owners miss. AI search does not just read your words. It measures how fast your page becomes usable, how stable the layout stays while loading, and how quickly someone can actually take action. When those signals fail, AI engines deprioritize you even if your Google business profile is strong. I tracked local service pages that looked identical on content quality but diverged hard on Core Web Vitals. Pages that failed: largest contentful paint, interaction to next paint, or cumulative layout shift lost AI citation share at a brutal rate. In head-to-head tests across home services, medical, legal, and home services niches, slow or unstable pages were cited by AI answer engines about 41% less often than fast, stable competitors with weaker traditional SEO scores. That is the new reality. Google Classic Search still rewards relevance and links. AI search adds a second filter. Can this page deliver a clean, fast experience the model is willing to send a human into? Let me break down exactly why Core Web Vitals now matter for AI search, which metrics actually move local recommendations, and the fix order that recovers visibility fastest. First, why AI platforms care about page experience at all. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, and Claude are not ranking 10 blue links for you to browse. They are making a recommendation. When an AI engine names your business, it is staking trust on the destination. If that destination is a 4-second mobile load with buttons jumping around, bounce risk spikes, and the recommendation looks bad. Google has been explicit for years that page experience is a ranking signal. What changed in 2025 and 2026 is that AI overviews and multi-model answer systems amplify the cost of a weak experience. If the model can choose between two plumbers with similar reviews, it prefers the one whose site loads cleanly on mobile because that is where most local intent lives. Perplexity and ChatGPT browsing layers also time out, truncate, or under-extract content from heavy script-bloated pages. If your hero image is a 3 megabyte uncompressed photo and your chat widget blocks rendering, the crawler may never see your service area, pricing cues, or trust proof. Invisible content cannot become an AI citation. So Core Web Vitals are not a vanity score. They are a gate on whether AI systems can reliably consume and confidently recommend your local business. Second, the 3 vitals that decide if you get cited. Vital number 1 is largest contentful paint, or LCP. This measures how fast the main content appears. For local sites, that is usually the hero headline, primary service photo, or booking panel. Google wants LCP under 2.5 seconds. Local mobile pages that sit at 4 to 6 seconds lose both classic rankings and AI extraction quality. Fix number 1 is almost always image weight, server response time, and render blocking scripts. Vital number 2 is interaction to next paint, or INP, which replaced first input delay. INP measures how quickly the page responds when someone taps Call Now, Get a Quote, or Open Directions. AI systems care because a recommendation that leads to a frozen button creates a failed handoff. Heavy third-party tags, unoptimized JavaScript, and multiple live chat tools destroy INP on local sites. Vital number 3 is cumulative layout shift, or CLSO. This is visual stability. If your phone number jumps when a banner loads or the CTA slides under a cookie pop-up, users mistap and leave. Layout shift also confuses extraction because the DOM keeps rearranging while the model or crawler is trying to identify primary entities. CLS should stay under 0.1. Reserved image space, fixed ad slots, and stable fonts fix most local CLS failures. When all 3 fail together, AI visibility collapses fastest. When you fix LCP first, then INP, then CLS, citation recovery usually starts within weeks because crawlers resample faster pages more cleanly. Third, what this looks like for real local businesses. Picture 2 roofing companies in the same city. Company A has stronger backlinks and slightly better Google review volume. Company B has a lighter site, compressed images, a clean service schema, and LCP under 2 seconds on mobile. In classic Google, Company A often still wins the map pack edge. In AI overviews and Perplexity-style answers, Company B shows up more often because the page is extractable, stable, and conversion-ready. That before and after pattern repeats across dentists, HVAC, law firms, and med spas. The losers are not always weak brands. They are brands running page builders stacked with unused plugins, autoplay video heroes, and 5 marketing pixels fighting for the main thread. Here is the recovery framework local businesses should run in order. Step number 1. Measure real mobile core web vitals, not desktop vanity scores. Use field data where possible, and test the exact landing pages people and AI systems hit. Homepage, top service pages, and location pages. Step number 2. Crush LCP. Compress hero images. Serve modern formats. Preload the true LCP element, cut host latency, and remove above-the-fold carousels that delay the real content. For most local sites, LCP is the single highest ROI fix for both SEO and AI visibility. Step number 3. Clean INP. Audit third-party scripts, defer non-critical JavaScript, kill duplicate chat widgets. Make primary CTAs respond instantly. If a user cannot tap call in under 200 milliseconds of perceived delay, your AI recommendation dies at the handoff. Step number 4. Lock CLS. Give images and embeds explicit dimensions. Stop inserting late banners above content. Load web fonts without layout jump. Stable pages convert better and extract cleaner. Step number 5. Pair speed with entity clarity. Fast empty pages still lose. Once vitals pass, make sure your NAP, services, cities, and proof points are plain text obvious so ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews can quote you accurately. Do not ignore Google Business Profile while you fix the site. AI local answers still blend listing strength, reviews, and web evidence, but a strong profile pointing into a slow, shifting website is a leaky funnel. You win the mention and lose the click, or worse, you never get the mention because the destination fails quality checks. The businesses that will own local AI search over the next 12 months are not the ones with the flashiest websites. They are the ones whose pages load fast, stay stable, answer the query in plain language, and convert the moment an AI sends a customer over. If your core web vitals are red, you are training AI systems to prefer your competitor. If you want Ninja to scan how your business shows up across Google, AI overviews, ChatGPT-style answers, and the local signals that feed them, go to tryninja.ai. Setup takes 2 minutes. The first scan is free. You will see whether speed, listings, or content is the real reason AI is skipping you. And what to fix first? Stop treating core web vitals like a developer checkbox. In AI search, they are a recommendation filter. Pass them or get replaced.